Welcome to my channel. My name is Daniel. In this video, I'm going to talk about some most profitable digital products you can sell online in 2025. I will explore different type of ebook niche you can start selling online right now in 2025. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, click on subscription button and put on notification bell. So let's get started. 7 most profitable ebook niches for 2025. Your guide to selling high topics. Unlock extra income with profitable ebook niches. Discover 25 top topics and expert tips to find your perfect niche. So, what is an ebook? Ebook are a fantastic way to generate extra income, but choosing the right topic can be challenging. The best ebook niches often focus on universal problems like health, finances, and relationships. In this guide, we have highlighted some top niches to help you decide what to write about. So, just a simple definition of an ebook is just it means electronic book. It means digital book. Instead of having the paperback with you, you can just read it the file online with your mobile phone or your smart device. So, how to find ebook niches? Why many entrepreneurs find selling digital books accessible and profitable? It is easy to get lost in the vast array of topics you can write about. You have probably heard about the importance of niche now. Why it is true that especially in the beginning, you should avoid topics with high connotation. So let's get to tools. How can you identify these topics? Fortunately, there are few free tools you can use. Google Trend. Google Trend is a tool from Google that shows us what people have been searching for. It provides data from years past, which help you differentiate between short-lived trend and topics that will continue to sell in the coming years. So, as you can see, this is an example of what Google Trends really look like. So, the second tool is Amazon. As the world's largest book retailer, Amazon dominates the digital book market. In fact, 60% of all ebook sales happen on Amazon. So, let's explore the top 7 most profitable ebook niches. Number one, personal development and self-help. So, what does personal development and self-help ebook contain? Mental health is one of the defining issues of our time. It is a double-edged sword. While the demands of modern life can often challenge our well-being. If we want to thrive in today's world, we need to be on our most aware and productive level. The range topics within personal development is vast. You could write about boosting productivity when working from home, building self-esteem, or even offering guidance for parenting. Tips for your first ebook. Choose a specific issue to tackle and offer straightforward, practical advice. Even if you don't have a formal background in psychology, diving into credible research will help you provide valuable, accurate insight. So the second niche is relationship. This has been a trending topic since forever. It was popular 50 years ago, and from the look of it, today's generation will still be dealing with the same challenges. After all, which girl hasn't dreamed of finding a prince charm? How many young men feel nervous about approaching women? And once you are married, well, dealing with another person every day can be quite be challenging. So these topics bring both joy and frustration into people's lives. Theirs is one of the best ebook niches to write about. So number three, health and awareness. Few topics are as evergreen as health alongside relationships and money. It's one of the life biggest concern. How you feel physical is closely tied to your mental state. Fatigue or physical pain can easily affect your mood, which in turn impact your work and relationship. From general health to nutrition or specific condition, like living with autoimmune disease, there is a wide range of topics your ebook can cover. You don't necessarily need a degree to write about health. People tend to connect more with personal experience than raw data. For example, an ebook titled How I Beat Type 2 Diabetes Without Eating Salad might attract more attention than typical it manual. So number four, business and entrepreneurship. This is likely the most popular non-fiction category, and for good reason. The high competition reflects the endless demand for business advice. It is also a great niche for beginner entrepreneurs. As you learn the ins and outs of building your online business, why not compile your notes into an ebook and earn a little extra income as you go? So number five, children's books. One thing is certain, children are being born every day all over the world, and with that, parents are increasingly focused on their children's well-being and development. As a result, the market for children's ebooks is growing, with the latest Kindle devices supporting illustrated books and digital gadgets becoming more affordable. Plus, digital books have the added bonus parents don't have to worry about their kids tearing the pages isn't that good. Number six, cooking. Let's face it, eating is one of your life's greatest pleasure, but food is more than just sustenance. For many, it's a source of comfort to those or a way to show love to others. Given how vast the cooking niche is, it's important to be specific with your ebook's title and topic. Our suggestion: focus on the emotion what food evokes. What about fiction? If you are able to make money online, non-fiction might seem like easier route. It is practical, straightforward, and quicker to produce. But here's the thing: fiction still dominates ebooks. Is why fiction ebooks are often cheaper than printed books, and they provide readers with a much needed escape from reality. After all, who doesn't love getting lost in a great story? Let's take a look at the best-selling fiction genres: romance, horror, and suspense thriller. Ever heard of book talk? If you are thinking about writing fiction, social media is your best friend. Communities like book talk and bookstagram are full of readers and content creators sharing their favorite books. A lot of videos authors have gained thousands of fans just by being mentioned on this platform. How to find your perfect ebook niche? Number one, look at what's already selling. Start by exploring what is working in the market, not just on Amazon Kindle, but across other ebook platforms too. Pay attention to bestsellers and trending categories. Think about topics that interest you. Among those trending topics, is there something you're already familiar with or eager to learn about? The more you know your interest, the easier it will be to write advertising. Do your market research. Dive into the latest trend. What are the best selling books in your potential niche? Check out social media channels that relate to the topics you're considering what people are talking about. What matters to them right now? Analyze your audience. Look at comment on social media and book reviews, both positive and negative related to your niche. Explore all kinds of content, even if it is from creators who aren't authors. This will give you insight into not only the toxic people care about, but the keywords you should use in your ebook and marketing. Passion versus profit. Of course, you want your ebook to make money, but having two niches just because it looks profitable on the surface isn't probably the best approach. In competitive markets, success isn't just about content. People are more likely to buy from an author they trust. And ebook written by someone people admire can identify with it will often outsell a higher quality book from an unknown writer. And choosing profit over passion isn't only mistake people make when picking a niche. So that is the end of today's video. If you have anything to say about this video, just comment down below. If you have any other niche or other digital product you think has also sell fast, you can also comment below. Thank you.